Beta, I am Professor P.K. Garg. Today we are going to discuss IUPAC nomenclature of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means today we will discuss the nomenclature of alkane, alkene and alkynes. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. For IUPAC system, it is made up of mainly three parts. One of them is known as prefix, second one is word root, and the third one is suffix. It is divided into three parts. One of them is known as prefix, second one is word root, and third one is suffix. What is meant by word root? The word root means the longest continuous carbon chain. If it is of single carbon, then the word root is meth. Similarly, for two carbons, eth, for three carbons, prop, four carbons, but, five carbons, pent, six carbon, hex. Similarly, 7 carbon, hept, 8 carbon, oct, 9 carbon, non, 10 carbon, dec, for 11 carbon, undec, for 12 carbon, dodec. So these are the word roots, means if the longest carbon is, for example, is of 8 carbon, we will use oct. What is meant by suffix? It gives the information about the saturation or unsaturation of hydrocarbons. Means if there is a carbon-carbon single bond, we will put ane. If there is a carbon-carbon double bond, we will put in. If carbon-carbon triple bond, we will put ine. So ane for single carbon, ene for double carbon, double bond, and the ine for carbon-carbon triple bond. So suffix is always after the word root. Suppose there are 4 carbon and there are hydrogens are attached with they have single bond, then it is known as butane. But is a word root and ane for single bond, so it is butane. What is meant by prefix? Prefix, you can say that the prefix means anything except longest chain. If that is not functional group, alkyl group or some other groups, then that are prefix. For example, if instead of hydrogen there are methyl group is there, single carbon is there, again the chain is of 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a side chain. It is known as substituent. It is also known as locant, substituent or locant. Now the prefix is always before word root. We will say that 2-methyl butane, the second carbon, with the second carbon there is a methyl group. So 2-methyl butane. It is a full name is 2-methyl butane. This is acting as prefix. The single bond means ane and the 4 carbon means but. So 2-methyl butane. So this is what is meant by prefix, what is meant by word root, and what is meant by suffix. Today in this lecture we will see some basic rules to give the IUPAC name to hydrocarbons, means alkane, alkene and alkynes. So first of all, the first thing for the nomenclature, to select the longest chain. To select the longest chain, if you will say that in this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there is just one possibility in which there are 6 carbon, but it is a straight chain. I am talking about the longest chain for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the word root is oct, because there are 8 carbon and all the carbon have single bond. If all the carbon have single bond, it means suffix is "ane." It becomes octane. The octane name is for this part. For this part, I have given the name octane. Then what about these things? These are side chains, substituents, or you can say locants. They are acting as prefixes. They are acting as prefixes to third carbon. There are 2 carbons are there, 2 carbon H. Now it is a substituent, then it is known as ethyl. तो सेकेंड कार्बन को इथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ है. सिमिलरली 5th कार्बन को मिथाइल ग्रुप लगा हुआ है. तो हम लिखेंगे बेटा 3 इथाइल 5 मिथाइल octane. 3 ethyl 5 methyl octane. One thing you must be remember, keep in your mind that ethyl and methyl should be placed alphabetically. Means in alphabetical E comes first, then we will write ethyl first, then methyl. So 3 ethyl 5 methyl octane is its name. So it's about the alkanes. Now what about the alkenes? Now what about the alkenes? Before doing the alkenes, one thing also keep in your mind that, for example, this is the compound. Suppose this is the compound. For completing the valency, I have put hydrogen here so that the valency of each carbon should be completed to 4. So there are 2 ways to give the numbering, to starting the numbering of this chain. The first thing is I can give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I can start the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each carbon chain have 2 ends. From which end we should start the numbering? This is the main question. From which end? So there is a rule known as lowest sum rule. What is meant by lowest sum rule? Lowest sum rule means if we starting from this side, for substituents अगर यहाँ से नंबरिंग शुरू करेंगे तो एक तो सेकंड कार्बन को लगा हुआ है सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, एक फोर्थ को लगा हुआ है, तो सम इज 6. If we start the numbering from this side 1 2 3 4 5, the sum is 8. वो वाली साइड लेंगे, we will select those side to take number 1 which have lowest sum rule, which will give lowest sum rule. So numbering for this compound, numbering should be starting from this side instead of this side. So we will write 4 ethyl 2 methyl hexane, 4 ethyl 2 methyl hexane. This is the nomenclature for the alkanes, basic nomenclature for the alkane. Now for alkenes, it means the hydrocarbons which have double bond in the chain are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons or alkenes. The longest chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. The numbering should be starting from that side in which the double bonded carbon get lowest number. Again, this is a substituent. We will write 4 ethyl hex. We will write hex. Now the double bond is between second and third carbon. जो double bond है वो second और third carbon के in between है. So we will write number 2. Then ene 4 ethyl hex 2 ene, 4 ethyl hex 2 ene. Now if like this there is another compound, there are 2 double bonds are there. The numbering is 1 2 3 4 5 6. बेटा इस कंपाउंड में आप इधर से शुरू कर रहे हो या इधर से शुरू कर रहे हो, डबल बॉन्ड को नंबर सेम आ रहा है. देन वी विल सी द लोएस्ट नंबर फॉर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. किधर से लोएस्ट नंबर आएगा उधर से लेंगे. अब नाउ इसमें क्या एक माइनर सा चेंज है, कई बार पता नहीं चलता. इसको तो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे 3 ethyl. Now there are 2 double bond. We will write term hexa. यहाँ पे हमने A नहीं लिखा साथ में, सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड था. अगर मोर देन 1 डबल बॉन्ड है, अगर मोर देन 1 डबल बॉन्ड है, देन वी पुट वर्ड A. हेक्सा 2,4 diene, 3 ethyl hexa 2,4 diene, 3 ethyl hexa 2,4 diene. This is the nomenclature for the alkenes. Sometimes what happen, the double bond in the chain should be mandatory. ये जरूरी हो जाता है कि डबल बॉन्ड चेन में आना चाहिए. तो द नेम विल बी हेप्ट 6 आइन. ई हम काट देंगे, ई नहीं लिखेंगे बिकॉज हमने कॉन्टिन्यूटी बनानी है. 1 ईन. सो द नेम विल बी हेप्ट 6 आइन 1 ईन. If there is a substituent like here there is a ethyl group, then we put it as a prefix 4 ethyl hept 6 ine 1 ene. So when there is a comparison between double and triple bond, the double bond is always preferable. Double bond is always preferable. Either it is in a single bond or is it with the triple bond. So this is the basic nomenclature of hydrocarbons. There is it is for the beginner students who just start the nomenclature of the hydrocarbons. So we have learned that the nomenclature is made up of three parts: prefix, word root and suffix. You must keep in your mind what are the word roots. So this is all about the nomenclature of hydrocarbons.